Hey, how's it going, everyone? If you're new to the channel, you are now watching New Touch Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to tint these tail lights. So if you want to go from this to this, stay tuned. Okay, welcome back. Now what we're going to do today is pretty much cover the back tail lights on my H2 Hummer. Now these lights, yeah, they may seem simple. This top light is pretty flat, and the bottom light has a flat surface as well. But of course, with everything that you attempt, it's all about the technique. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and we're gonna get into the product that we're gonna be using to complete this process. The film that I'll be using today is from Vvivid, which is the light smoke black version. The tools that I'll use will consist of 3 simple items. That is the squeegee, a blade, and a heat gun. So you've reached the end of the video. Now I'll admit, tail light tinting is not for everyone. But if you're looking for that custom look and you want that custom feel, go ahead and attempt this project. It's very easy to do. Now for those who have subscribed, I really appreciate you. For those who haven't subscribed, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Thank y'all for checking out this video. Catch y'all on the next one.